Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. First of all, my name is Aulia Arta Nurhaliza and I am majoring in Sistem Informasi Akuntansi kelas 63.1A.35. I will give my opinion about the new president, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. Here I will explain my opinion about the election of the new president, Mr. President Prabowo Subianto. My opinion about him is that he is figure who authority, responsible, disciplined, and cares about his own people. In the era of his leadership, before starting to carry out our government, that is, all ministers will give education similar to military service carried out by the South Korean state, where the aim of military education was to instill discipline, responsibility, honesty, love of the country, and empathy for others. This relates to the duties and responsibility of ministers toward the mandate of the people. Hopefully, with military training on the initiative of Mr. President, people's leader can become honest, trustworthy, and responsible leaders. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aulia Arta Nurhaliza. I am majoring in Sistem Informasi Akuntansi kelas 63.1A.35. I will resume my presentation of materi the use of modal verb. What is the modal verb? Modal is auxiliary verb that is used to add particular meaning in main verb. The fun fact is modal verb do not need to add the letter S at the end for the third person. Listen tense such as he and she. They cannot be followed by the suffix ing, which is typically used on irregular verb in present continuous tense sentences. Characteristic of modal verb. I have five characteristic of modal verb. Firstly, is not affected by the subject. So, however the subject is, the pattern used remains the same. The second one is capital placement precedes the negative element in the negative form no. Third is modal precedes is the subjective element in a yes or no question sentence. 4. Modal meets directly with the first form of the verb or verb. The last one is the capital is also always allowed by the form to be. For the example, is, am, are, was, well, do. For example, do, does, did. And the last one is have. For the example, has and had. Formula for the verb. Modal verb are used in various sentences, include positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. For one, modal verb positive sentence. Remember, in positive sentence, the use modal verb in followed by verb 1 and cannot be added with other particles. The formula is subject plus modal plus verb plus, sorry. The formula is subject plus modal verb plus verb 1. For the example, Tanya will her, will, sorry. Tanya will, for the example, Tanya will help her mom cook the dishes right now. For secondly is negative sentences. For negative sentences, you just need to add the word not after the modal verb. The formula for making a positive modal verb sentences is subject is modal verb plus verb 1. If it's not followed by a verb, the modal must be followed to be with the formula subject plus modal verb plus not plus be plus adjective or adverb for or noun. For the example is not walk on they must not walk on the grass. On the grass. They must not walk on the grass. For the last one is interrogative sentences. For interrogative sentences or question, the modal verb must be placed at the form. After that, follow it with subject and verb 1. Formula interrogative sentence is modal verb plus subject. For the example, would you like something to drink? Uh, Modal of types. I have for example, the first one is futurity, menunjukkan akan terjadi. Futurity has three example. Firstly is will. Will is to express something will happen in the future. For the example, they will go to London next week. Secondly is would. Would is to express habit in the past and to express politeness. For the example, would you mind closing the door? Strictly is shall. Shall to express something that happened in the past and the future. For the example, we shall buy a new laptop next month. Ability or kemampuan. Ability have three example. The first one is can. Can is to ability for present or future tense. For the example, I can speak English. Secondly is could. Could to ability for present, past, future, and to express politeness. For the example, could you help me now? The thirdly is be able to. Be able to is to ability for present, future, or past tense. For the example, my auntie's baby will be able to walk in a few weeks. Next, permission atau perizinan. Permission have three example. Firstly is my. Firstly is my to express permission for present or future tense and to express politeness. For the example, my I go to toilet please. Secondly is would. Would in permission is to express habit in the past and to express permission politely. For the example, would you like to pray tea for my guest now? The last one is meet. Meet in the permission is to express permission and to express permission politely. For the example, may I have your suggestion? Okay, next. Possibility atau kemungkinan. Possibility have three example. For the firstly, may. May in possibility is to express possibility for present or future tense. For the example, I might go to the stadium tomorrow. The second one is could. Could in possibility is to express possibility for present or future tense and to express politeness and to express politeness. For example, you could talk to your teacher. The last one is meet. Meet in possibility is to express possibility, present, or future tense. For example, Rafael might not believe your story. Okay, next. Modal for types, food modal, will, would, shall. Ability modal, can, could, be able to. Permission modal, might, would, might. Possibility modal, ada might, could, can, offer, should. Another another example is should. Should is to express obligation, needs, expectation, or make suggestion. For the example, you should wear seatbelt when driving a car. Obligation. Other examples for the suggestion is you should study hard if you want your GPA to be good. Another example of dialogue. Dialogue 1. Sean and Keanu. Sean, I just remember that I have a lot of homework. I must home now. Keanu. Ah, okay. Do you want me to take you home? Sean, I thought your bicycle was broken. Keanu. Yeah, but there's my brother's motorcycle. Sean, what? You are not. You aren't. You aren't 17 yet. You must not. You mustn't ride a motorcycle by yourself when you don't have a driving license. Can, yeah, you're right, Sam. Sam. Okay, don't worry, I can take a bus right now. Can, okay, take care, Sam. Dialogue 2. Another Sam dialogue is Irene and William. Irene, are you able to play musical instrument, William? Yes, I am able to play guitar and piano. Irene, wow, that sounds great. Will, sorry. The dialogue to another for the example, Irene. Are you able to play musical instrument, William? Yes, I am able to play guitar and piano. Irene, wow, that sounds great, Will. Do you want to teach me to play a musical instrument, William? Of course, I can teach you, Irene. Ah, I'm very grateful to you, William. Sure, Irene. And dialogue 3. Liz and Matthew. Liz, what is your plan this weekend? Matthew, we can watch a horror film in the cinema if you want. Liz, that's a good idea. Can you drive us there? Matthew, sure, I have been able to drive since last year. Liz, great, I will order the ticket online then. Next, the last one of the dialogue 4, Nena and Celia. Nena, do you have a do you have an event tonight, Celia? Celia, nothing. Is there something, Nena? Of course, I will invite you to the dance party tonight, Celia. Okay, I'll come to the party tonight. Nina, okay, see you at the party tonight, Celia. Celia, see you too, Nina. I have some example question here. The first question is, look at this street. It's very moody. It blank have rained heavily last night. The answer is D. Must. Look at this street. It it is very moody. It must have rained heavily last night. The second question is, I blank go and check the arrangement downstairs. The answer is A. I should go and check the arrangement downstairs. The third question is it's high time. It's high time. I blank take this anymore. The answer is C. It's high time. I cannot take this anymore. The fourth question is blank. I invite her for a meal. For the answer is C. Can. Can I invite her for a meal? For the last question is blank. I make an announcement. The answer is A. Shall I make an announcement? Thank you for hearing my presentation. Please pardon me for my less than fluent vocabulary and stammering during my presentation. Thank you so much.